this is what I got done so far. Now you're gonna watch the speed build of some of it. It was really hard to do this, so please support me in any way. Thank you. It's really long for a little bit, but you know, it'll get done. I don't know what to do. I didn't know what to do for the shoe, so that's the best I got. I gotta fix their noses, but I'll get them later. Give her gloves, because I didn't know what to do. So yeah, it took me really hard to do this outfit because I thought of so many different designs for this girl, but I finally came up with one design for her clothes, and I finally got her done. Finally got some of her done. I gotta finish her outfit, but mostly she's done. She got her hair color, her eye color. I think the eye color and hair color were pretty good. Yeah, that's what I got so far. Hope y'all enjoyed it.